everyone, I'm Lubomira and thank you for joining me. If you're visiting for the first time, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, it's really great to have you back. Now, if you like my videos and would like to see more of them, remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By selecting the little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video so you never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. Today is day 3 of the 12 days of Christmas in November, and the card I'm sharing today is really elegant with a more of a traditional feel. I combined both a holiday and a non-holiday stamp set to create this project, so stay tuned, you won't want to miss it. Let's get into the video. I started off with stamping my images. I used Simon Says stamps for this project. I love the Spring Bird stamp set. I think it's really one of the most versatile sets Simon released this year. To give it a more of a holiday feel, I paired it with the Magic of Christmas set. I went ahead and stamped my images in intense black ink using the Misty. Next, I colored my images using Copic markers. For those colors and all my supplies, please check the description below. I colored my bird image to resemble an American goldfinch. A little fun fact, these guys actually change color during the winter months. You won't really see a bright yellow goldfinch as their plumage changes to a duller color. So this may not be the most accurate card ever, but we're just going to go with it anyway. created a tone-on-tone striped background. I find that the easiest and quickest way to achieve a tone-on-tone look when stamping on a cardstock is simply by using Versamark ink or any other embossing or watermark ink. I don't want to waste time trying to match my inks, and my desk is usually filled with enough supplies without adding more ink pads to it. By inking up the image, in this case my background stripes, I'm able to get the perfect color match without guesswork or swatches. The only downside is that it does take a little longer to dry. Next, I created a panel off camera using white cardstock and the inverted stitch scallop circle die from Pink Fresh Studios. This panel is slightly smaller than my background, allowing the vertical stripes to peek out from behind it, giving the card a nice border. I poke out any of those little pieces that remain in the cardstock and start to place foam tape on the back. It's time to put this card together. I attach my striped background to the card base using liquid glue. Then I attach my white frame panel followed by the branch using foam tape. I tuck one side of the branch under my frame and let the other one come over it. Once the branch is in place, I can perch my bird on it, also using foam tape. For my sentiment, I used one of my Cricut foiled greetings. To coordinate my cardstock, I smeared some Versamark ink on that original green cardstock to create that much deeper color that you see in the vertical stripes in the background. I gave the greeting a special little detail by wrapping a bit of baker's twine along one side of it. Then I attached it to the front of my card using foam tape. Lastly, I added some Nouveau Lear drops to the background and to the bird's eye. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I really love how all these colors came together, and maybe it's just me, but even though it's an elegant card, I get a masculine vibe from it. Let me know what you think. And again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and will join me for the next one. Please don't forget to leave your comments below. I love hearing from you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you have an amazing day and see you soon. Bye.